as I'm breathing. I'm not saying I'm hooked on you, but I feel it grow.
I'm not waiting around for you, but I'm pretty close.
Howdy guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie. If you guys are new here, that's who I am, and if you're not, welcome back. Today we are making floating lantern Rapunzel blinged ears. If you want to know how to make the blinged ears, the tutorial is in the description, but today I'm going to be debuting 2 of our bling colors. We have 40 colors on shopantitay.com. All my members get 20% off of my bling, all my products, so check that out. And we are going to be blinging these up so that they look like there are floating lanterns on the ears, which I'm obsessed with, and of course we're using the floating lanterns color, so let's just get going. All right guys, for this tutorial I'm going to be using floating lanterns to start, and if you want to know how to make blinged Mickey ears, I have a video specifically on what I'm doing and how I'm doing it, and I will explain a lot more in that tutorial. This tutorial is just to show you the colors that I'm using for floating lanterns and just some really cool different ways that you can use our bling on the bling ears and get different characters. So I'm gonna go in with the SS20, and you can either get this size on its own, or you can get our mixed, which comes with all different sizes, which makes projects like this really fun and easy. So I'm just gonna get smaller as I go up. I'm using kind of my art theory, not my art theory, but like my art skills in this by making sure that the smaller ones are mixed in, but not too much, because depth shows when you have larger stones at the bottom and higher stones at the top. It'll give it kind of this 3-dimensional look. But then I will sporadically put in little ones, which will give the illusion that the lanterns are far off but still really close to the ground. So I really wanted this to look like, you know, the lanterns were literally floating from the ground up into the sky, and then we're going to use a dark color for the sky. Now you could use any of our dark colors. We are going to be using Evil Queen, but you could definitely use spots or any of our other dark colors. You could even ombre from dark to lighter, where it looks like it's a little sunset. There's so many options you can do for this tutorial, so just have fun with it. So now I'm just gonna outline my Mickey ear. I go more into this on the actual tutorial if you wanna see what I'm doing and how I shape this out, but I'm just going to slowly fill in all the gaps with the Evil Queen until it is completely full. You will notice that there are some gaps, and we're going to fix that in a second with some glitter. Which again, if you want to see more of that, I do go into more detail on the actual bling tutorial. So I'm going to go in and use the big stones first. I'm using the mixed size. You can order our bling in 3 different sizes, or you can get a mixed bundle, which comes with sizes all the way from SS20 all the way down to SS5, which makes projects like this really fun. So this is where the magic happens, and again, if you want to see the actual tutorial, I talk about the sticky stuff that I'm using, and I'm just going to use 2 Infinity, which is an Auntie color, and I'm just going to pour this on, and you're going to see all those little gaps disappear. And you can use any color you want. Black glitter would work good for this. We have lots of colors. We have 40 different colors of bling and 40 different colors of glitter. As this video has gone up, can't promise that if it's a few years down the road, we might have 800,000 colors. So you never know. Okay, I'm gonna take a dry paintbrush and go over this just to get all the glitter off of the stones, because the glitter will stick to the stones. We have ultra fine glitter, which means it sticks to everything, but that's a good thing and a bad thing, but it's more of a good thing when it comes to crafting. So I'm just gonna brush this off, and it will stick to the sticky stuff. And look at this stuff at night. It is gorgeous. It's the best time for me to capture how much this stuff blings. It's really hard for me to capture how much it blings on video, but it is stunning in real life.
I'm not saying I'm hooked on you, but I feel it grow.